Known as the king of hedges, and deservedly so, yew is one of few native evergreens that has been planted for thousands of years throughout the UK and Europe. It has many different planting benefits which have contributed to its timeless popularity. Taxus Baccata isn't high maintenance, and although sometimes referred to as a slow grower, it does in fact achieve 20 to 40 centimetres of growth a year. One annual prune is all it takes to keep a Taxus hedge looking handsome. Yew hedging is good at all heights, from a low 1 metre screen to a magnificent 3 metre boundary wall. Taxus Baccata can be planted in most sites and soil types. All it requires is good drainage, as it detests having wet feet. It's even happy in shade, and unlike some conifer hedging, you can prune back an overgrown yew hedge. Yew hedging is extremely long-living, and you can still see some of the oldest yew trees standing today. Over 100 yew trees were planted in Painswick in the 1700s, but the oldest known yew can be found in Scotland and is thought to be between 1500 and 3000 years old. Yew is a fantastic wildlife hedge and is a favourite for nesting wrens, so do check your hedge before pruning. The bright red fruits of yew are also popular with an array of different bird species, such as robins, waxwings and blackbirds, although they are poisonous to humans. Taxus hedging is available in all root types, including instant troughs, and is one of the few bare root evergreens. Pot-grown and cell-grown plants are available year-round, and unlike most other root ball species, yew root balls can be planted throughout the year, except for the hottest months. For more tips and advice on your yew hedging, visit the inspiration and advice section on our website.